Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. We are making Chinese sausage fried rice. This is a beautiful, smoky, delicious, well-balanced sausage. I'm going to cut into a little dice. And we're going to render down the sausage to a delicious flavor. I have this beautiful, sweet red onion. Save some from last time. Actually, I can combine this onion with the sausage together. It's fine. Got this beautiful spring onion. Everything is beautiful. The tough part, I'm going to mix it with the onion and the sausage. And this, we're just going to sprinkle on the top of the rice. Okay, we're gonna add some chili. Why not, right? This is a medium spicy chili, so I can add 3. If it's really spicy, then you want to be careful. Hey, wait, one is still okay. Where'd it go? That's okay. All right, I put it together right here, and I got some spinach from last time. Let's not go to waste. Just get that spinach good for you. Split in half. Put everything in my cutting board. Come on, let's go cook now. Preheat a skillet, medium-high heat. Just a little bit cooking oil. And this time, we are going to random pepper, chili pepper, onion. Oh yeah. And the sausage. We're going to render the sausage. For 7 to 8 minutes. The sausage needs to be cooked thoroughly so the flavor will come out. Wow, looking good. Yes. Very nice. And then I got this beautiful cooked rice. Ooh, it's still hot. Very hot. This is the Japanese very sticky rice. The sushi rice, short grain rice. Huh? You can tell the rice is really hot. So we're going to break the rice apart. This is a very hot rice. See that? I think my fire is a little bit high now. So I turn it a little bit low. And we want the rice and the sausage and the onion incorporate together evenly like this. Oh, delicious. And here, I'm going to add some black pepper. Like this. Generous amount. Salt. Salt just a little bit, like this. That's good. And then give them a quick stir. Oh, this is Chinese Taiwanese sausage fried rice. So delicious. Since this rice is super hot and just come out from my rice cooker, now we have some beaten egg. Just pour in the beaten egg over rice, just like this. If your rice is cold rice, then you need to cook the rice a little bit longer. This is actually my childhood memory fried rice with all my cousins sit together and grandma cook. Alright, so now I would like to add a lot of spinach. That's the idea, right? And I can just add in the green onion. Some people call spring onion. Ooh, it's hard to cook, but it's okay, we get to it. Spinach is very easy to cook. You can eat raw, so it's just the idea. Incorporate with some vegetable. And that's what I have. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. Oh yeah, look at that, huh? Oh yeah, okay. And then, sesame oil. Drizzle a little bit, like that. It's gonna be so delicious. If you don't want to add salt, instead soy sauce, you're okay too. You see? I don't add a lot of oil to cook, but if you control your temperature right, everything cooks perfectly. Not greasy, not oily. When you bite into it, oh my goodness, I'm telling you. Alright, I don't want to overcook the spinach. I kind of like the color like this. What do you think? I think it's done. When you're done, you turn off the fire. And so once you turn off the fire, what are you going to do? I'm going to try it, and you're going to watch me. Ooh! Look at this. Wow! Delicious! I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye!